Hello class, what's up? Is Raj here. Today we are discussing about the immunology, and in the immunology we are discussing about innate immune system barrier first, and second the protection mechanism about it. So what is the innate immune system barrier? Yeah, what is the type of system barrier in our body? So mainly there are three types of barrier in our body. First we call the physical barrier, second we call the chemical barrier, and third we called cellular barrier. So if we're talking about the physical barrier, in the physical barrier come under the skin. What is the skin? Skin prevent the entry of pathogens. What do you mean by the pathogens? For example, harmful bacteria, harmful virus, whatever they are called, is known as pathogens. So second is the mucous membrane. In the mucous membranes comes under found in respiratory, digestive and urogenital tract. So these are come under the physical barrier class. And next one is chemical barrier. So in the chemical barrier, we are talking about the lysozyme. So what do you mean by the lysozyme? Enzyme found in saliva, tear, and mucus. Once again, I repeat that the lysozyme, enzyme found in saliva, tears, and mucus. And after that, second is in the chemical barrier. The second is the gastric acid. So in the gastric acid, destroy ingested microbes. So any type of ingested microbes will be destroyed in the gastric acid, and that is come under the chemical barriers. So this whole process we are covering up to right now. First the physical barrier, and second is the chemical barrier. After that we are covering the cellular barrier. So what is the cellular barrier? If we're talking about the cellular barrier, there is a phagocytis. Okay, phagocytis come under it, and in the phagocytis there is a many types. So macrophages, neutrophils, and dendritic cells. Again I repeat that in the phagocytis there are the three thyrsus come in it. First we call the macrophages, second neutrophils, and third dendritic cells. These are that in phagocytis engulf and destroy pathogens. That's it. So after that we are focusing on what is the inflammatory response towards the immunity, yeah, immunology if we're talking about. So in the response of inflammatory response releases histamines first. These So inflammatory response, there is a releases histamines and cytokinins to attract immune cells to infection site. So what is the if some type of damage is converted in our body, that how the inflammatory response are responding in our body. So first the releases histamine and cytokinins, okay, to attract immune cells to infection site. If the infection site are there, they are attracting site to attract immune cells to infection sites to cover this type of damage in it. So these are whole mechanism of innate immune system barriers, and there is a protection mechanism in see we can see that the inflammatory responses.